Hey guys, so the first thing you want to do is you want to warm up the nasya if you can in like a little bit of warm water. Just keep your bottle. I have very little warm water here because this is almost done. And then I'm just gonna leave it here for now. It's very super casual video. I just decided to make it on the fly. Okay, and then you basically lay down. You can do this even on your bed. I'm just doing it here because it's easier. And you open the bottle of nasya, which is nice and warm right now. And ideally, you can actually do something like this, but I'm just going to do it like this. You wait a couple of minutes. No sharing nasya bottles. If there's 5 members, get 5 nasya bottles because, of course, as you can tell, you can't share. This literally goes into your nose. Might sting a little bit. I just exhale through it. Let it penetrate everywhere. And in a couple of minutes you can get